Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid. The Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid isn't just a car, it's a whispered revolution. It transcends the realm of opulent sedans, seamlessly blending cutting-edge hybrid technology with the timeless elegance of a Bentley masterpiece.Step inside, and your senses are greeted by a symphony of luxury. Buttery leather swaddles every surface, while handcrafted woodwork and polished metal accents whisper of exquisite craftsmanship. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, illuminating the named sound system that promises a concert hall experience on wheels. And for your comfort, massaging seats await, ready to melt away the stresses of the day. But beneath the veneer of luxury lies a technological beast. The 618 horsepower hybrid powertrain combines a potent V6 with an electric motor, offering the effortless silence of electric cruising alongside the thrilling roar of unleashed horsepower. Glide through the city streets in whisper-quiet luxury, then unleash the full fury of the engine on the open road, catapulting from 0 to 60 in a breathtaking 4.1 seconds. Price-wise, the Flying Spur Hybrid sits at the pinnacle of the luxury car market. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of opulence, a symphony of technology and luxury orchestrated on four wheels. Prepare to be transported to a realm where every need is anticipated, every comfort catered to, and every journey transformed into an experience of unparalleled refinement. Step inside, and your breath catches in your throat. Butter soft leather drapes the seats, meticulously stitched into diamond patterns that gleam under the ambient lighting. A panoramic sunroof stretches overhead, bathing the cabin in natural light, while the whisper-quiet air suspension ensures you glide over imperfections like a cloud. Heated and massaging seats cradle you in blissful comfort, while a rear entertainment system keeps boredom at bay with cinematic immersion. But the Maybach isn't just about pampering. Under the hood, a 621 horsepower V12 engine whispers to life, unleashing a surge of power that belies the car's imposing size. Lexus LC500 Convertible. The Lexus LC500 Convertible isn't just a car, it's a sun-drenched statement, whispering luxury with every sculpted curve and chrome accent. Forget features lists. Buckle up for an experience that's all about open-air exhilaration and refined indulgence. Lower the power-operated soft top, and the world becomes your living room. The sculpted body turns heads everywhere, its elegant lines catching the sunlight like a captured melody. Inside, buttery leather envelops you, heated and ventilated seats keeping you comfortable no matter the temperature. A Mark Levinson sound system fills the cabin with rich audio, while a heads-up display keeps you informed without interrupting the view. But the LC500 Convertible isn't just about soaking up the sun. Under the hood, a 471 horsepower V8 purrs with restrained power, ready to unleash exhilarating bursts of speed at your command. Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. Forget SUVs, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge is a rolling palace sculpted from dark desire. Bespoke starlight headliner mimics the night sky above, while a hidden camera peeks through a menacing waterfall grille. Heated champagne flutes ensure your bubbly arrives perfectly chilled, ready to toast your audacious arrival. Slip inside, and your senses are engulfed in opulence. Massaging seats with whisper-quiet air suspension whisk you away in sublime comfort, cocooned in buttery leather and handcrafted woodwork. But beneath this lavishness lies a beast. A 592 horsepower V12 whispers beneath the hood, a potent reminder that this isn't just a limousine for city streets. This is a chariot for conquering uncharted territories, with all-wheel drive and responsive handling ready to devour any path you choose. Price. A mere detail for those who crave such bespoke luxury and untamed power. The Cullinan Black Badge is a statement piece, a whispered roar that says, I play by my own rules, and comfort is my birthright. Aston Martin DBX. The Aston Martin DBX isn't just a luxury car, it's a rebellion against convention. It throws off the silk gloves of traditional grand tourers and emerges as a sculpted beast ready to devour both city streets and winding country roads with equal aplomb. Inside, the DBX welcomes you with a sumptuous embrace. Quilted leather seats in rich hues whisper of British heritage, while diamond pattern stitching and handcrafted woodwork elevate the experience to an art form. A panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, revealing sweeping vistas wherever you roam. Technology seamlessly integrates, with a digital instrument cluster keeping you informed and a Bowers & Wilkins sound system transporting you to your own concert hall. But don't mistake this opulence for fragility. The DBX packs a 542 horsepower V8 under its hood, a ferocious heart that unleashes a throaty roar as you press the pedal. BMW iX M60. Forget gas-guzzling beasts, the BMW iX M60 is a revolution on wheels. It throws aside the rulebook of luxury SUVs, embracing sustainability without sacrificing an ounce of performance or opulence. This electric powerhouse is ready to rewrite the script on what it means to drive in style. Step inside, and you're transported to a futuristic haven. Recycled materials and vegan leather whisper environmental consciousness, while panoramic sunroof and digital instrument cluster create a space that feels at once familiar and cutting edge. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus isn't just a car, it's a supersonic statement of automotive excess. It's a hypercar born from the pursuit of ultimate speed, a land-bound rocket wrapped in a cloak of unimaginable luxury. Step inside, and you're met with a paradox. The cockpit whispers refined elegance, with buttery leathers, sculpted carbon fiber, and instrument dials that glow like molten metal. Yet beneath this opulent shell lies a beast, a 1,600 horsepower quad-turbocharged W16 engine thrumming with barely contained fury. A tap on the accelerator unleashes a guttural roar that sends shivers down your spine. The Chiron lunges forward with the force of a jet taking off, pinning you to your seat as G-force compresses time itself. It's not just fast, it's hyperfast, shattering the 300 miles per hour barrier with a nonchalant ease that defies comprehension. But even at warp speeds, the Chiron remains surprisingly composed. Adaptive suspension dances over imperfections in the asphalt, and the meticulously crafted aerodynamics keep you glued to the road.